Hello and welcome. Today we're gonna look at my Amiga 500 Plus. This is the part 2. While if you haven't watched part 1, then look at the link at the description down below. Check out part 1 because I got this Amiga 500 recently and I found out that it had a battery leakage. I cleaned the board just a bit. And as you can see here, two traces got some green shit on them. But I have measured that here to here I got connection, and the other one here to up here it's got connection. So these two traces are not bad, they work perfect. If I should get any trouble with this board, then I will make a jumper, but as of right now, I've measured all these traces from here to here and they all do a great connection. Now, if we look at the other side, as you can see here, the green goo here is acid, or it's base from the Vacha battery. But luckily, we got no traces here. It's just, I don't know if it's ground or it's just, no, it's not ground, it's just, is it? I don't know, but nothing of any importance here other than these four legs. Now, if you can see here, this little trace and this little trace, so these three has to be connected, and all three of them are actually connected, so no damage, it works. I will put a little wire here just to be sure, but it works. They are connected. We have continuity, so no problem. And this one should be connected to the battery here, and that's not important because the battery is off. So as of right now, I have stopped the destruction here. It's been neutralized. The board, I have cleaned the board, and I took this chip off and put in some my new ISO over there, cleaned it in here. The legs are not dead, they're not green and all that. So I think this motherboard is ready to be powered on, guys. So let's put in the wires and give it some power. We're ready to test it for the first time. I just put it in the metal casing. I like to do it that way. It's got a protective shield down under and the metal casing, and it gives ground on the screws over here. So yeah, I like to do it this way. So let's power this one on and see what's gonna happen. First time here. Work, damn it, work. There we go. Look at the picture quality. I'm using this RGB to SCART, and I'm telling you, I have used some different LCD monitors, and I actually had two of these identical LG monitors that I used. If you look at my older videos there, you can see. I don't know why, but the other monitor, the exact same monitor, it was, no matter how I did the adjustments, it was just grumpy when I read the text. But this one, it looks crazy. I also have a Panasonic 40-inch with two SCART connectors, which I would love to use, but it doesn't look as crispy as this one. So yeah, this one got one SCART connector, but the picture quality is awesome. I really love it. So yeah, the Amiga 500 Plus with the 8375 Fat Agnes Kickstart 2.04, the 68,000, lovely CPU. And the chips are from 1991, and this board is revision 8A-1. They usually say 8 over here also. Yeah, revision 8A. Alright, it works. Nice. Let's check out the rest of it. And reassemble the keyboard also. As you can see, it's in bits and pieces. These one have to be careful with them when cleaning them. Also the connectors, they're so old so they can crack here, and so when this one is dead your keyboard does not work. So I don't know, have to test it, guys. Also test the disk drive. I don't know if it works. Guys, look at this. Yeah, in another video. Let's test the keyboard. I hope that it works, because I have actually tried when it was broken at the membrane, or what's it called here, that I mean 6 or 10 keys didn't work, and I have also had some Amiga 500s where I should press real hard before it works, so I hope it's good on this one. So let's just give it some power again. I got this system test disk here. So we got, yeah, memory, the mighty 1 megabytes of chip RAM. One of the biggest reasons I love the Amiga 500 Plus is because you can upgrade it to 2 megabytes of chip RAM. It's incredible. I will install this. This is, as you can see, a 512 kilobytes of RAM expansion for the Amiga 500 Plus, but it says where it says here, it says open Jumper 2 only on Amiga 500 Plus in rare cases. See Wiki. I don't know why, but maybe this doesn't work, and you can daisy chain and put in some more RAM. That's great. So let's check the keyboard. F2. Oh, it's just a light touch, and it works. Nice. It all works, guys. That's nice. There we go. Perfect working keyboard. Yeah, floppy drive works, obviously. Read test. It reads, yeah. Mouse. Nice. Audio. Shit, we got no sound. Oh no, I have to check that one out. Just really fast. This is the CI chip that controls the IO ports and disk drive and ports up here and all that. We got Denise here that controls the video output. We got Fat Agnes here with the RAM and connection to the CPU. The CPU here, kickstart here, the RAMs are here. The Gary controls RAM and all that. But this one, Paula chip, is making the awesome music, Amiga sounds and all that. I just took it out, put it back in, and still we have no sound. So I will take a Paula chip from an Amiga 2000 motherboard and put it in, and hope that it works. So let's just check it out, guys. I have switched the Paula chip. Hope that it works now. Come on. All right. I mean, the seller told me that it worked, but again, it's 30-year-old hardware. It can go dead in a second. So no trouble from my side. I mean, I totally trust the seller. Maybe it worked when I bought it yesterday and it just went dead today. It's totally fine by me. This type of things happen. And the replacement of Paulo chip did not help. But we will fix it, guys. Maybe it's something else, a dead trace. I will take a look at it and fix it. No hard feelings, no problem at all. As I said earlier, it's old hardware, it can go dead. I mean, the screen can die, the PSU can blow up. I mean, one of the caps can go dead. So it. What? Now I know why the sound is missing, guys. I'm pretty sure that the problem is me. 2 seconds, guys. I should really cut this off, you know, but no, I won't. 2 seconds, guys. All right. Let's get some power now. Yeah, I think the sound will work because now I just put in the right phono sticks, you know, cables. Yeah, sorry guys. No, I will not cut this one off. You have to see this because sometimes, yeah, the one that fails is the user. My test is Turkan 1, you all know that. All my subscribers know that. Yep. I will just put Paula back in place again. So yeah, let's do that and let's put out some... Nice. Okay, let's just test the original Paula chip. I installed the expansion and I just left the jumper J2 open because it says only in rare occasions. Where's the audio? We got the video, we got all the colors. Yes. Oh, this mouse is not the best. Audio. Yeah, it works. Both channels. Nice. And memory, 1.5 megabytes of chip RAM. I love that. The list memory regions. Nice. Now if I put it in a Amiga 500, normal Amiga 500, then it will, of course, it's got half megabytes of chip RAM, and the expansion will be a half a megabyte of slow RAM here. So I mean, the Amiga 500 Plus is just great in every way. Yeah, I will just reassemble this one now. The finished product, isn't it just great? Now it's over here. Okay. I have never retrobrighted. I have nothing against people that retrobrite, but it seems like the yellowing color, discoloration or what it's called, the yellow will probably come back again. So actually for me, I don't want a huge pile of Amigas. That's not my mission. I just want nice Amigas. And I have a beautiful Amiga 500 Plus. But this one came with the cabinet, with the box. The cabinet is, of course, not like new, but it's, I mean, the colors are, it looks great. The keys have the same color. It doesn't have two brown keys or nothing. Drive works, the battery damage, it's so small and isolated, and it works great. So one of the fun part for me especially, is search for the next Amiga, the adventure, drive and see what people has on their storage, or what they want to sell. Sometimes I just buy everything they have and upgrading my Amigas. So yesterday when I checked this one on my last video on the part 1, I was talking about this one is looking better than my other Amiga 500 Plus. So I wanna sell the old one, because if I just keep on only buying, then what should the next guy use? I mean, I want these machines to be used, not just being a storage. I'm not the kind of guy that says I have 25 Amiga 500s. Yeah, that's great. No, but I mean, the Amiga 500 Plus is just so special to me. So while working on this one, I've been looking at my other Amiga 500 Plus that I want to have the ACA 500 Plus on. And I have decided I actually don't want to sell my old Amiga 500 Plus because it looks like this one. They are both great. Here in Denmark they're pretty rare. They don't come up on sale that often. So yeah, I mean, on one hand I'm telling you guys that I don't want a big storage filled with Amigas. On the other hand, I want to keep both my Amiga 500 Plus as of right now, because I just love them. So no Amiga 500 Plus is coming out on sale, because I really love these. I think they're awesome. Yeah, I also found an Amiga 1200 that really looks white, all original. That has not been retrobrided. So it's really great. And actually, this is the PSU, as you can see here. This is from the latest found Amiga 1200. Look at the difference, guys. It really looks nice. So that's the fun part for me, to find them in a nice original shape. And other guys, they like to retrobride, and everything is fine by me. Everything. Yeah. So this is how an Amiga 500 looks. Just want to show you how it looks when it's disassembled. And now it's a full working Amiga 500, guys. It's great. I'm sorry, 500 Plus. So I just want to say thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Bye.